Hey, don't rage quit bro here. So I made a little program that I thought was kind of cool and thought I'd make a YouTube video on it to share the concept and logic of what I came up with. The idea was adding some automation to event triggers to add interactivity with Twitch and Streamlabs and not having to press buttons manually on my Stream Deck. I only have a handful of things set up at the moment and I'll go through each. The first one I'll show is upon level up. I have it set to play an audio file and toggle a source on and off in Streamlabs. Next up is what happens when an Exile drops. Similarly, I play an audio file and also toggle a Raining Chaos and Exalt source that I custom made with Adobe.
I know that stench, just like my sisters, upon the pyre.
The last two items go hand in hand. I have an automated death counter that updates on screen, as well as another death audio file and source toggle. And in this case, it's multiple of each.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'll briefly go over how I did this if anyone else is ambitious enough to make their own as well, and maybe they can have some other ideas that I did not come up with. First, let's talk about the client log file in PoE. There's a fairly minimal amount of data kept here, but it does show level ups and deaths. Essentially, I have the program read the log file, take note of the current deaths and level ups, count it again, and if they differ, then either the deaths or the level ups occurred since the last read. The only other thing I thought about making with the PoE client log file is an instance lag detector, as it shows the latency when joining an instance. It doesn't update live throughout an instance, unfortunately, so if I wanted to make this a live lag detector, I'd have to use something else, like pings, for example. As for the Exalt detection, my program checks the access time of the MP3 file associated with the loot filter drop, and then checks it again and compares the times, and if they differ, then the file has been accessed. All of these things couldn't have been done without some additional software, which I am currently using the free version of Touch Portal. It includes Twitch and Streamlabs integration, allowing you to create logical events. I have my program set up so that when the events trigger, it updates another text document, and then I have Touch Portal set up so that if those files have been changed, then it executes the command for playing audio files and toggling the sources in Streamlabs. That's about all I have for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video here that I made. If you guys have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and have a nice day.